Yeah, it was my first actual involvement was last winter. And as I'm driving, we were, you remember last winter, it was like the winter that would never leave. And as I'm driving, the snow started coming down heavier and heavier, and I'm halfway there, and I'm thinking, maybe I should turn around. Nobody's going to be there. It's going to just be me, and it's going to be a waste of time. But I decided I'm committed, so I continued on. And when I got here, I walked through the door, and the place was packed. And it was the most exciting, welcoming night that I had in a very long time, and I never regretted that slippery ride all the way. There's a warmth to theater people. There's an energy that comes out of theater people that, you get addicted to. So I decided that this was time to get re-involved. So I sat way in the back just to kind of be, invisible. And as I'm watching the cold read, which I've been involved in improv and cold reading in the past, but I'm actually just watching it this time, not involved. The first night I didn't do any kind of read. And to see just the energy coming out of that group of people, and most everyone says the same word. There's a trust. There's a camaraderie that all of a sudden starts to click, and no one knows anything about the play until they sit down and they start reading for themselves. So to see the writer's words come to life, we're doing it all at the same time. It's something quite special. But the excitement to hear your words dance from the actor's mouth is just something you can't describe. It's like you feel like a little kid in a way, where you go, oh, listen, they're reading my words, and you're hearing it. So, and the respect that I had for those actors reading my words and vice versa is to see them really trying their hardest to make me proud, or make the words proud, or they know what goes into writing a play. They know that it's not easy to put it out there, because an actor tends to be a little on the insecure side, and that's why applause is so appreciated. So when a playwright hands over those words to people that are going to just take them and run with it, to know that they're doing their very best is just such it's just a bonding, it's a really bonding moment.